This is the multi-directional ab roller. So one great thing about an ab roller is that you can twist this sucker off to the side. So if going straight and forward, you've already got some really good form down here, just going forward and back, shoulders back and down, and it's not going into your lower back, and you want to take it a step further without trying to take your knees off the ground or do something crazy like that, you can then add a multi-direction in. So essentially, I'm going straight out and in, then I'm going to go off to the right at a diagonal, and then I'm going to go off to the left at a diagonal. Maybe it's it's like a curve more than a diagonal, letting that thing roll through there. So let's keep the form in place. Let's do a review of that. I'm kneeling on the ground. I got my hands on the roller, starting the roller directly below me, just like a push-up form or a plank form, letting my chest drop down so my shoulder blades stick out, and then squeezing those shoulder blades down towards my back pockets. And then I'm going to keep my spine neutral, and I'm already drawing in my abdominal muscles here. I'm going to start by going straight forward, only as far as I can still keep it in my abs and not my lower back with good form. Then I'm going to choose a direction. I'm going to go to the right, and then I'm going to draw it back in, and I'm going to go to the left, and I'm going to draw it back in. And then I'm going forward again. So I'm going to go between those three, alternating between all three of those directions, forward, to the right, and then to the left. Maybe you want to go to the left first. That's fine. Just keep your form solid throughout every direction and wherever you're going. Abs drawn in, shoulders back and down, spine nice and neutral, and don't go so far that you're tensing and locking up your lower back to do this. This should be more in your keeping your shoulder blade form and abs tight. But don't be going so far that your back is locking up to try and pull you back or stabilize you out there. It's a little too far. You just shorten the range at that point. You just go a little bit further out. You just go like a little out, a little far out. That's just not far out. Good Lord, I'm losing my mind. You just shorten the distance back and forth there. Still get a really good challenge. You'll feel the sucker. It's a great way to challenge the front of your core there, hit those abs without flexing your spine through crunches or anything like that. Throw that stuff out the door. All right, now there's your multi-directional ab roller.